Right, people, I would like a bit of help from you, and if you can all go over to my Facebook and Instagram and just subscribe, like, whatever you have to do, like the page, subscribe. All the links are in the description just to get the numbers looking better on there, sorted. And also I upload pictures and all sorts of stuff to them, which I don't upload on YouTube. Right, so let's go and check our coils and our ignition and everything. Sorted. Hello and welcome to another Bodgit and Leggit video. Now we're getting to a good test here now where it's nice, simple, it's easy by changing the coil packs around, which is, you know, because they're individual coils, you can actually do that. It's a really quick, easy test. Doesn't involve any special tools, and also it doesn't involve any money, so it's absolutely perfect. So let's start this bad boy. There we go, boom. Let's go into engine module. Now with this being the VAG group, it's slightly different way of doing things. It's using the blocks, the data blocks, so I can't remember off. Oh no, we don't want to do that. Let's just read the code first, so see what we've got. Oh, now look at that. Not going to say anything, but look. Interesting. Okay. Live data we do by the channels now. Trying to think. What is? I think it's 15 if I remember. Aha! Boom! Look at that. It was 15. There we go. Look, Misfire counters, and we are counting up on cylinder 2. I was just revving it up there, and did it stop when I was revving it? It's counting up now. So if I rev it, oh, battery's running low on the machine. If I rev it up, no, it climbs really fast when I rev it up. So I'm revving up now, and as you can see, it's climbing fast. So if I check the fuel trims and everything now, it's not going to be right, because obviously we're definitely getting a misfire and we're not going to be burning the fuel correctly. Right, so what we'll do, we will swap the coil packs around. I'll put number 2 into number 1. That's what I'll do. There's no point in me filming it, but that's what I'll do. Right, look, tape everywhere. That is definitely not factory. Now, I don't know. I have a special tool for this. You have to be very careful doing it this way, but it's possible. Let's have a quick look to see, can we see anything that looks dodgy? Any tracks on it that looks like it's... Well, for a start, people, it's not a genuine coil pack, which is a big thing, especially on these. These need genuine packs. This is not a genuine pack, people. That is, and that is, but number 2 is not genuine. And even if it's working, it might not be working to how the car likes it, and it could be causing all sorts of problems. So this has been changed. So we know there's been work done to this. It's been changed because obviously we can see that there's other work been done here. There's all tape. So the first thing they do is change the coil pack. So that would either suggest to me that the original coil pack was fine, and even this coil pack is going to be okay. Possibility, because they changed the original one. But maybe not. I'm going to swap it into this one. I can't see any obvious signs to let anyone know. There's nothing I can see obvious that will suggest that it's cracked, leaving tracks or anything like that. I can't see anything obvious. Let me just swap them and we'll check the counters again. Cannot wait to get the grief for the way I took out these coil packs, even though if you do it, it's absolutely fine. So I put the non-genuine coil pack now into cylinder number 1. Also, these connections, like these connections here, they're the same connections. Rather than just trying to push down and pull it out, if you actually push it in first really hard, then push it out, it's a lot easier to get out. I can't show you because I'm just doing it one-handed, but push the connection in, push down on that, and then spray it out. And it's going to prove me completely wrong. There we go. See, I'm just doing it one-handed. It's just awkward. So you push the connection in first, press it down, and then pull it out. Believe me, it's a lot easier. Right, so we've changed that around. Let's get back inside and let's see. The ignition is still on. That's why it's buzzing, by the way. Let's see if the counters change. Right, let's start up again. Let's go into... where are we? Stream channel 15. Oh, why is it not communicating? Is it because I switched it off? Let me just get this communicating and then we'll continue. Right, I've also taken out cylinder number 2 spark plug. You can see there's not like, doesn't look too bad in there. And to be fair to the spark plug, looks really good, nice biscuity colour. You know, it's not fouled up, the gap's not too big or too small, or you know, there's no cracks in the porcelain that I can see. There's nothing that looks bad with the plug. We know the coil pack is okay. So what's the next things, people? Right, boom, we are back in. Our engine's still started, and look, we're still getting a misfire on cylinder number 2. So just like I said, the original coil pack was okay. The spurious one is working, but I don't know if it's going to be actually great. What I'm going to do is I'm going to swap them back, because I'd sooner the fake coil pack blow up than the new one, because the possibility of damaging the good one now. So I'm going to swap them back, because I want the old one to blow up rather than the proper one, and if it does, we can always get a genuine coil pack. So now what do we know? We know we've done all the other tests. We know we've done battery and alternator. We know we've done compression. What else have we done? We've done fuel pressure. We've done fuel pump. What else? We've done changing over the coil packs. So what's next, people? What should we try next? That's going to be really interesting to find out. I want you to tell me now, what would you do next in this situation? Put all your comments down below, and we'll do the next test. Well, we'll do the ones that gets the most kind of either likes, or the most people are asking for that particular test. Sorted. So look, hope you're enjoying this series. I'm loving it. It's brilliant. And as always, don't forget to check out my Facebook, Patreon and Instagram. Don't forget, links up here, links down below. But most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.